Possible Finance and Klover both offer short-term financial solutions, but they use different approval processes. Possible Finance requires users to apply for a loan and complete its eligibility review, while Klover evaluates your linked bank account to determine whether you qualify for a cash advance. By the end of this video, you'll know how the approval process works for each app and which one is generally faster for eligible users. If your goal is getting access to money as quickly as possible, the answer depends on the type of product you're applying for. Possible Finance offers installment loans to eligible borrowers, while Klover provides cash advances to eligible users, so the approval process isn't exactly the same. Let's start with Possible Finance. Possible Finance requires users to create an account, connect a supported bank account, and complete an application. The app reviews your financial information and eligibility before making a lending decision. Because you're applying for a loan rather than a paycheck advance, the review process is designed around determining whether you qualify under the company's lending requirements. That means the approval timeline depends on successfully completing verification and meeting the eligibility criteria. Now, compare that with Klover. Klover focuses on cash advances instead of installment loans. After connecting your bank account, the app reviews factors such as recurring income, account history, and banking activity to determine your eligibility. Since Klover is evaluating your banking behavior rather than processing a traditional loan application, the experience can feel more streamlined for eligible users. However, you'll still need to complete account verification and meet the platform's requirements before you can access available services. So which one approves faster? Choose Klover if you're looking specifically for a cash advance and you meet the app's eligibility requirements. Its bank account-based review is generally simpler than applying for a traditional installment loan. Choose Possible Finance if you need a loan with scheduled repayments instead of a paycheck advance and you're comfortable completing a full application process. The important thing to remember is that approval speed depends on accurate account information, successful identity verification, and meeting each platform's eligibility standards. Neither app guarantees instant approval for every applicant. Here's the bottom line. Klover is generally the faster option for eligible users seeking cash advances, while Possible Finance is better suited for people who specifically need an installment loan rather than early access to earnings. Your next step is to decide whether you need a cash advance or a loan first. That choice will make it much easier to determine which app fits your financial situation. If this comparison helped you choose the right option, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of cash advance apps, loan apps, and personal finance tools.